Our activity is from the sailing direction, and you should put this in arrows. No? The Verde Island tidal current passes south along the west coast of Luzon and deflects some of its water into Manila Bay. Then it continues along the coast as far as Punas Point and then divides into two branches. One branch sets northeast around Tayabas Bay and north and east of Marinduque and through Mompog Pass. It then reunites with the other branch. This branch, referring to the other branch, passes southeast along the Mindoro coast as far as Dumali Point, then continues east and south of Marinduque as far as the Bondok Peninsula. It then meets the flood current from the Pacific entering through San Bernardino Strait. So hindi kasali to. Ang kasali, the north part of the Verde Island current, which follows round Balayan and Batangas Bays, reunites with the main current in the vicinity of Verde Island. It produces violent rips and eddies in that part of the channel between Malabrigo Point and Discarco Point. Okay, so that is our activity, no? So this is how to do it. I will show you. So nakalagay doon, the Verde Island tidal current passes south along the west coast of Luzon. So this is Luzon, west coast is here, no? So passes southward, not necessarily southerly direction, basta at least malapit-lapit sa south, no? And then some of its water deflects some of its water into Manila Bay. Manila Bay, no? Dito, this is Manila Bay. And then continues until Punas Point. So Punas Point is here. Ito. Can you see? This is Punas Point. And then from Punas Point, one branch sets northeast around Tayabas Bay. So this is Tayabas Bay. The current will go into two directions. One is northeast through the Tayabas Bay, and then east and north of Marinduque through Mompog Pass. So this is Mompog Pass dito banda. And then reunites again with the other branch. So this is the other branch, no? Passing Mindoro up to the Dumali Point. And then going also to this direction. So magsasalubong sila ulit, no? This is your tidal Verde Island tidal current. So if you notice, there is a red color, no? Because, so kung intindihin yung maigi, the north part of the Verde Island current, which follows round Balayan and Batangas Bays, reunites with the main current in the vicinity of the Verde Island. So it is not called Verde Island tidal current. It is called Verde Island current. So it is also a continuation. However, so it is a continuation. It will go round Balayan and Batangas Bay. But it will not go inside. No, hindi na mention na the current will go inside to round the coast. Hindi na mention yun, no. So round the Balayan Bay and Batangas Bay lang. And then reunites with the main current. So the main current is here in the Verde Island. So this is the northern part of the Verde Island current. Iba yung Verde Island tidal current, which is the black one, although it is a continuation. Pero pagdating dito, it is called Verde Island current. bago sila maghiwalay ulit dito. And this is also the continuation of the Verde Island tidal current. So kung dito sa gilid nakita niyo yung aking meron akong reference or legend. So the black one is the Verde Island tidal current and the red one is the Verde Island current. Because we will do again another exercise, no, para maintindihan nyo, no. But this time mas mahirap. You will be the one looking in the Admiralty and the sailing direction. So I will give you a copy of the sailing direction and then you will be the one to look for the tidal or the current information from the book. Kayo nang maghanap. Okay, so we also have current information from tidal current atlases or the tidal stream atlases. So tidal stream atlases include detailed tidal stream direction and strength information, enabling accurate calculation of tidal stream rates for a particular port when planning a voyage. And then tidal current atlases present a comprehensive view of the hourly rate and direction of major tidal currents within specific coastal regions. For example, you are passing the English Channel, no? So there is in your chart, there is so-called tidal diamonds. And there is a corresponding table for that tidal diamond in the chart. And that is where you will obtain your information regarding tidal streams. But you have also a table or atlases. It is same as booklet, parang booklet na lang siya, no? But this is for every areas. For example, the English Channel or the Dover Strait. So they have different tidal current atlases. So pwede mong buklatin yon. That is available on board. Okay, so there is a tidal publication, Admiralty tidal publication, which is called Tidal Stream Atlases. And these are actually in Northwest Europe. And a lot of it are in UK and France. So this is France, this is UK, this is Denmark, this is going to the Baltic Sea. No? And here yung the Netherlands and yung Belgium. Then. So this is the English Channel. Marami siyang tidal streams that is assigned. So if we may enlarge it, okay, so these are your legends. NP209 is Orkney and Shetland Islands. So you just find it here on the upper part of UK. And then we have other parts also. For example, the west coast of France, which is the 265. So this is actually in the Bay of Biscay. Okay, so we will study regarding the tidal stream atlas later in the last part of our subject. And then next is we have current information from charts. So the nautical chart or the paper chart contains tidal information in the vicinity. This will readily gives information without lifting a page in the tidal stream atlases or from the sailing directions. The tidal diamond symbol on navigation chart indicates that the direction and the speed of tidal streams. This will give the tidal stream information without using the tidal stream atlases. So it is already in your chart if you are using the best chart for that area. So nautical charts can also provide valuable information. An example are the flood and ebb arrows that indicate the direction and the speed of tidal current. The location marker is commonly called a tidal diamond due to the shape of the symbol, and it is printed in magenta ink. Okay, information about a tidal diamond location appears in a table positioned elsewhere on the chart. And then the table shows the rate, which is called drift in knots, and the direction, which is called set in true degrees for times before and after mean tide, high water at the reference port on the applicable date. The table may contain data for more than one tidal diamond. So it is if it is more than one, then it is described by letters A, B, C, D, and so on. So I will show you. So this is your table regarding the tidal diamonds. So there are three, A, B, and C. And in your chart, so if you can see this diamond, which is preceded by letter B, it means you are going to use letter B in the middle. So this is your direction before high water, and this is your high water. These are hours, no? So if your high water is, let's say, high water is 9 o'clock, 0900 hours, then 1 hour before, this is the direction of your tidal stream. And then this is the speed in knots, 0.8 and 0.5. This is nip tide and I forgot the other one. But it depends upon the tide also. So here, 1 hour after naman. 1 hour 2 hanggang 6 hours. And then this is your direction. So nagbabago siya ng direction. As you can see here, 5 hours after the high water, it is going westward and southwestward, no? Pababa pero pa west. But ganun din dito, no? 3 hours before high water, the direction is 213, so it means going west. And then 2 hours before high water, this is called slack time. And then 1 hour before high water is the direction is northeastward, 033. So that is how you will read the tidal diamonds. But we will have an exercise regarding this on the last part of our full topic or our subject. So today I'm only showing you. Okay, so in the chart there is also a so-called tidal information. So I will enlarge. So this is a part of the chart which I screenshot and put it here. So let's enlarge. So this is the tidal information that is written on the chart. So for example, the name is, the port is Plymouth. And this is the latitude, longitude of the port. So there is a mean high water, mean mean high water, mean high water, and mean low water. So because this is American version, it is in feet. Okay, so the information is only small information regarding tides. Okay, so we will go with the activity. Okay, so this is our formative activity number 8. Now, I will not accept any more submission kasi hindi nyo naman intindihan, so malamang mali pa rin unless gagayahin nyo yung akin. No? So, I will accept another submission for the formative activity 8. So, dito na lang ako magbibigay ng merits if you are correct and if you beat the deadline, which is today before our class ends. Okay, so download the chart map or screenshot of a Google map to be used in drawing arrows to indicate the information about the Luzon Strait tidal current from the sailing direction en route Philippine Islands. No? So it is located in the Luzon North Coast. So I will provide a sailing direction so that you will have also a copy. You can read if you are not doing anything. Okay, so this time you will be the one to find in the sailing direction the information regarding Luzon Strait. Unlike the last time, I provided the information, which is an excerpt. I screenshot it from the book and put it here in our lesson. So today, you will be the one to find. So meron kayong yung actual na that you are really the one looking for the information. And then upon looking of the information, process it and put it in your Google Map. I will put it in our group chat, including the sailing direction. No? So mas maganda yon because you will be the one looking. So ibig sabihin, para na kayong nagbubuklat ng libro doon sa barko, no? Which we have. Anyway, this is, I can give you this sailing direction because this is free to download. No? This sailing direction from the American version is free. So you can search, or in the video you can see the link of the NGA or the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency. So from that website, you can also download the American Practical Navigator, which is very important for you to become a cadet, no? Actually, kung pagtuturuin mo ako ngayon ng celestial navigation, I can because during college, that is what we are using, yung American Practical Navigator. So, yan ang pinaka-textbook namin doon sa FIATI doon. And we have a lot of good teachers which are retired Navy. And our department head is a graduate of the Annapolis Naval Academy. Kaya medyo nakalamang doon ako nakalamang sa inyo doon, ano? Because today all of your instructors are maritime professionals. But the Navy, they are good in theory. Yung mga retired Navy na matatanda na kasi. Matanda pa sa akin kung nung ano na. Kasi nga retired na sila. So it means probably 55 and above. And matagal na sila nagtuturo, no? Pero ngayon, sa FIATI ngayon, the same with LPU. Maritime professionals na rin. So that's why you are better now. Our school is better than my alma mater. Okay, so if you do not have any question, I will end this meeting. And I will put in our group chat and in the LMS yung ating activity for today that you will do. Okay, so thank you for listening. I will end this meeting. Okay, gentlemen, I will end this meeting.